Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to change this. This here is the connection between the gas cylinder and the pipe going to the house. So normally you don't change it, but I don't know why for me in the last years I had to change quite often, maybe once in the year. This is somehow frustrating because if you have changed your gas cylinder with a new one and the gas is not arriving on the kitchen, it's a bit frustrating. So this means you will have to change this little piece. Let's go. This here is the part which is connected to the gas cylinder, and this here is where the pipe is connected, so the pipe will push the gas towards this direction. And very important, in case you're using propane, then you have to take a propane one, and in case you're using butane, you have to take a butane. First of all, close the gas cylinder and you can see the sign minus. Then we're taking the multifunction plier for opening. Then you open. And now, as the gas is not working, I'm changing this part here. For this, I'm opening this screw and will put this ring towards the back. Then we are removing this piece, and this is usually quite hard because it's well plugged into this tube. So this here is a propane détendeur. And as I said in my introductory video about the gas cylinder, you have to make propane if your gas is propane. In the ideal case, you can cut this little part which hosted the previous détendeur. This is better, but it's not necessary, depends on the shape of your flexible tube. Then I'm taking just a little bit of liquid for the dish washing, and I'm putting this here on the top of this part. You have to push hard. Once we have done this, we're putting this little ring back. And then we're closing. And you close until it's really hard. Here, just for safety reasons, make a little check with your nose. In case you're not smelling any gas, it means that it's okay. That's it, my friends. This video about the change of this little device is now finished. I hope that it will help you. I hope that you will be able now to make excellent and nice dishes for yourself or your family. And in case it's now not working with a new gas cylinder, with a new thing like this, then you will have to call a plumber, because it means it's become very complicated. And for fixing temporarily the little problem, I can only invite you to have a look at my playlist about the fireplace, where you will see how to make fire in the chimney or make fire outside. See you in a minute on Happy Hour TV 1.